Hi everyone, my name is Mahmoud Sheikh and welcome back to Unix shell programming tutorial series. In today's video, we are going to discuss about writing an interactive shell script which will allow the users to perform various operations like renaming a file, deleting a file, copying file from one place to another place. Okay, so these are the various operations which we will be performing using a shell script. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. As you can see here, I have already written down the output of this program, and when this program gets executed, it will display a menu with four options. First is rename, second delete, third one is copy, and the last one is exit. If user enters any key other than 1, 2, 3, then the program should get terminated. So when user enters 1, then it should ask the user to enter the original file name, okay, which you want to rename. Then let us suppose user has entered sample.txt, then it will ask you to give a new name. Then let us suppose you want to change sample.txt to sample1.txt, then it should show a message like file renamed successfully. Let us suppose user has entered 2, user wants to delete, then it should ask the user to enter the file name to delete. Then once the user enters the name of the file, the sample.txt, then that file should get deleted from the present working directory. Then if the suppose user enters 3, then that means user wants to copy the file from one place to another place. Okay, suppose right now user is under programs directory, and under the directory the user is having Linux directory and there is a file test.txt. Now the requirement is that I want to move this test.txt, or I want to copy this test.txt file to Linux. Okay, so in that case you need to give the name of the directory to where you want to copy the file. That's what I am asking here. Enter the directory, then I will enter Linux. Then you need to enter the name of the file which you want to copy to Linux directory, that is test.txt. Then your program should show a message as file copied successfully. Okay, so this is everything about the output or our requirement which we want to achieve. So now let us discuss what are the commands which we require to perform these operations. Okay, first, to rename we require mv command for rename. Okay, to delete we want rm command. To copy we use cp command. Okay, so these are the three commands. So let us first discuss rename. So now let us first start writing this program. Let us first start the program with designing the navigation menu. usr bin bash, then echo -e space 1 dot rename \n, 2 dot delete \n, 3 dot copy \n, 4 dot exit \n. Okay, now I need to display this message. Enter your choice. Read -p, enter your choice, ch. Okay, I will be using else if ladder to get this output. Now user has entered the choice. Now I need to use an if condition. If $ch is equals to 1. Okay, there should be spaces here. There should be a space here, here, at this place, here also, and here also. Okay, so what if the user enters 1? That means user wants to perform the rename. So first I need to ask the user to enter the original file name. Read -p, enter original file name original. Okay, then I need to ask the user to enter the new name. Read -p, enter new name. Let us say new file. Once I ask the user to enter the original name, then I need to check whether that name, original name which user wants to rename, is exist in the system or not. I need to set an if condition. If not exist, original dollar original, then I will display a message echo file not found. Otherwise, I will just rename using mv command, else dollar mv original space new file echo file renamed successfully. Okay, and if this if gets closed here. Now next is elif. Okay, now we have written the first operation, that is rename. Now let us suppose user has entered 2, that means user wants to delete a file. That I need to write in the elif part. Elif ch is equals to 2, then okay, then I need to ask the user to enter the file name to delete. Read -p, enter the file to delete. Let us say file. Now I need to check whether the file which user wants to delete exists in the system or not. For that I need to check a condition. If -e, if file not exist, then echo file not found, else I need to delete the file using rm command. Rm dollar file echo file deleted successfully. Okay, this if gets closed here. Next is elif. Elif 2 square bracket open. Okay, what if user enters 3? That means user wants to perform a copy operation. That I need to set here. Elif dollar ch is equals to 3, then I need to ask the user to enter the directory to where you want to copy. Read -p, enter directory, let us say dir. Okay, next I want to ask the user to enter the file name. Read -p, enter file name. It is the name of the file is file name. Now user has entered the name of the directory as well as the name of the file. Now I need to check whether the directory exists in the system as well as the file exists in the system or not. So to check that, I will use an if condition. If not -d $dir Then, okay, what if the directory does not exist? I will display echo, sorry, directory not found, directory not found. L if I will check what if the file does not exist. Then echo file not found, else. Okay, if both the directory as well as the file exist, then I need to copy the file. To copy the file, I will use cp command. Cp dollar directory space dollar file name. Okay, next echo file successfully copied. This if should get closed here. Next, this yes, there is an elif. So next is again elif. If user enters 4, $ch is equals to 4, then exit. Okay, what if user enters 4? Or you can do like this. Okay, else if user enters any number or a character other than 1 2 3, then I want the program to be terminated. Else exit, then this if should get closed. Okay, yes, this is everything about performing three operations: rename, delete, copy and exit. Okay, so that's all for this video, guys. I hope you guys have understood this concept. So if you guys like this video, or if you got some useful and valuable information from this video, then click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.